So what we have is the ONN
We got music in
47 to 70 inch full motion TV wall mount. Weight capacity 80 pounds. So we're going to be installing this TV in that nice space right there in my office.
Nice choice, Ed.
ONN wall mount from Wal-Mart for 47 to 70 inch TVs up to 80 pounds.
Indeed.
$27 at Black Friday. Yeah.
Yeah. At this point, you need to unbox and assemble your item. Oh yeah! Mount up! Attach the mount to the TV.
Don't fully tighten these bolts because see the leeway you have? You need that leeway to line up when you're installing it to the TV.
Big bolts. Tighten her up. Big bolts. Oh yeah! Thumbs up for Ed. Subscribe. Now, pre-drill studs. Attach the mount to the wall. Make sure it's level. Screw in lag bolts.
Good Lord, that ain't going nowhere. Impact drove into the stud.
Big bolt.
Lag bolts.
Big bolt.
Yeah. I don't even think the one on the bottom really. I've got anchors that are 225 a piece, rated pounds. I'll have 4 of those, and then since my stud is right in the middle, one of those right there, and hopefully one here. But as you can see, it's a real tight fit with this nut from the bracket, which I could take off if I had to. I might have to do that. Yeah, that's a major fail. And look at that. I didn't even realize I was doing that, the way that impact driver works. But as solid as that one is in there.
Oh yeah.
I had no idea that my old 1080p Phillips TV here weighs 92 pounds with the stand. However, without the stand, it's 78, 79 pounds. So it is right at the max. So I've had the TV mounted on here once already, and I had to take everything off to tighten these bolts with a drill, an impact driver, because the weight of the TV kept pulling it forward, causing it to tilt more than I wanted. I'd also taken these apart, and then I couldn't remember the proper way the washers went on, which it has the lock washer here, and then it's got the adjustment here, which I also had to tighten down with a pair of channel locks to make sure I got it tightened off. What I had is a stud running right down the center. They want you to put bolts in on each side. Just the way mine was laid out, there was no way to do that. So I've got one in the center and another one down here. And then I've got 225-pound anchors on each corner. Here's the tools I needed for the job. Parts that come with
Tool
it. I had my
loadout.
own Allen wrench set. Anchors that I used. Purchased from Lowe's. Cobra triple grip. Concrete. Of course, I needed a few various of my own screws. You need a pencil. You definitely need a stud finder, a level, and a measuring tape. There's the level. Measuring tape, bits and things, a screw gun, impact driver. You know, one drill will suffice. A hammer and some channel locks to tighten up that last piece. Those are the tools I needed to do the job. I would probably go with a heavier duty model if you have a heavy old TV like I do. Yeah, this thing is a beast.
And a job well done you did, Ed.
I've tightened these bolts with the impact driver and it still slid forward there, which is just insane. The sucker's down some more. After you hook it in place, if you didn't get the bracket level when you installed it, you can fix that with an adjustment of these. So, onto the review part. What can you say? It's hard not to give this a high rating because at this price point, $27 for a full motion mount, pretty darn good. I remember the first one of these I bought at Sam's Club was like $99. And of course that was years ago. So how can you beat 27? I mean, I would probably have to highly recommend it. However, not if you have a heavy TV. If you're pushing 80 pounds, I would not recommend it. And you can see it's got the standard VESA with the extensions for this bigger TV. Smallest size, 47 inch on up to 70 inch, I believe it was. Full tilt. It's got tilt, but you have to loosen up the bolts, which with this weight of this TV, there's no way I'm going to loosen those. I had to crank them down with the impact driver. Which reminds me, did I level it yet? No, it's terribly off level. All right, level, flush against the wall. So yeah, the TV has full swivel here. It comes extremely hard to do, especially with one hand. Fully extended away from the wall. There's my view from my desk. Now let's put it back against the wall. Now it's time to hook up the Xbox One and get to playing and creating some Red Dead Redemption 2 videos for YouTube. So would I recommend it? If you have a lighter weight TV, yes, as I said before, I would recommend it. If you can get it at the price it was on Black Friday or near that, $27 for the ONN full motion 47 to 70 inch TV wall mount. You can't beat it. I give it an overall 4 out of 5 stars. Installation took me probably about 4 hours, just because of a few things. The weight of the TV back down, make some adjustments, put it back again, tighten all those bolts down really tight so that it wouldn't keep tilting forward. But yeah, if you've got a higher weight TV, not recommended. But for the price, probably still is recommended actually, if you can get it for $27. So that's it guys, another DIY home improvement project. Please like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, I sure appreciate it. Keep coming back guys for more video games, DIY. Bargain hunter strikes again. Guy just came to the door and sold me this Nest Pro Gen 3 thermostat for $80. Thank you, Facebook Marketplace. And I'm not sure what the dude's name was, but in case he sees this video, thank you too.